Hello, you are highly welcome to another special topic. The benefits of using castor leaf plant. The truth about castor leaf plant for poultry growth. Benefits and dangers farmers must know. Are you a poultry farmer? Since after the release of this topic on the use of castor leaf plant, I have received a lot of questions on the comment section, and that's why I've deemed it fit today to form a different topic so that I will enlighten more on this castor leaf plant. Are you among those sending the questions on comment sections? Some are saying castor leaf, based on their experience, based on their research, that castor leaf plant juice is very toxic, that some farmers said it's not good for poultry farmers. I want to clarify some issues and make you understand about this particular castor leaf plant more. In the world of organic poultry farming and livestock farming, many farmers are turning into local plants to reduce cost and boost animal performance. One of such plants is the castor leaf. Ricinus communis is the botanical name. It is known for its traditional, medicinal, and medicinal properties. But how effective is it for poultry and livestock growth? Can it be replaced? Or can it replace synthetic supplements? Or is it more harmful than helpful? According to some of my fans that are watching the video and some other poultry farmers in other social media. In this video, we are going to dive deep into the truth about castor leaf juice, revealing real facts, benefits, and potential risk to help you make smart decisions for your poultry and livestock flock. Watch the video till the end because this is a very delicate and serious video. You need to watch till the end so that you get the best, because castor leaf plant is of good and it has also side effects. But in this video, we're going to dive deep into it and explain everything about it. Castor leaf juice is a very good, effective plant for poultry and livestock animals. In this particular topic, we're going to discuss castor leaf juice is about and how it is traditionally used. We're going to explain the traditional and medicinal components of castor leaf. We are going to give evidence-based truths about its effectiveness in poultry and livestock. Risk, precautions, and best practices for use of castor leaf plant. And final verdict on whether castor leaf is worth using or not. Watch the video to the end so that you get the best from this revelation. Before we start, let me give you 20 truths about castor leaf plant juice in poultry and livestock health and growth. Number 1 is castor leaf plant is rich in biotic compounds. It contains alkaloids, flavonoids, and saponins. It contains tannins and glucosides that have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Secondly, it's a natural dewormer. When used in the right dosage, it helps expel external and internal worms from chickens and goats. Number 3, it improves appetite. It boosts feed intake in weak or recovering animals due to the beta stimulant and effects. Number 4, it boosts digestive functions, encourages better digestion by stimulating bile flow and enzymatic activities. Mild laxative effects. In controlled dosage, it helps clear mild constipations and gut blockage, especially in young birds and young animals. Number 6, it enhances immune response. The antioxidants in castor leaf juice may help increase disease resistance in poultry. Number 7, effective against coccidiosis. Some studies suggest that anti-coccidial effect due to the tannins and flavonoid content helps expel and destroy coccidiosis in poultry. Number 8, natural pesticides. When spread in the housing, or added in very small dosage to water. It helps reduce external parasite infestations. Number 9, antibacterial activity. It is effective against E. coli, Salmonella, and Staphylococcus in lab settings. Number 10, blood purifying effect. It encourages detoxification in bloodstream and supporting overall health of your poultry and livestock animals. Number 12, respiratory support. Traditionally used to clear mucus and improve respiratory health in weak or affected birds. Number 13, reduces cost of feed. It drops the cost of feeding your poultry and livestock animals to the barest minimum. As a locally available supplement, it cuts down the cost of costly chemical boosters. Number 14, not for constant use. Due to the presence of ricin in raw castor plant, long-term use or high-dose use is toxic. Note this. Due to the ricin content of castor leaf plant, long-term use or high-dose use is toxic. But when used in a controlled dosage, it is beneficial. Note this. Toxic if misused. Overdosing can cause diarrhea, dehydration, organ damage, or death in some cases in livestock and poultry birds. Must be fermented or boiled. To reduce the toxicity, fresh leaves should be fermented, dried, or slightly cooked before use. Note this, please. It supports wound healing. When mixed with coconut oil, it helps in healing surface wounds and sores in livestock. Number 18, it boosts egg production. Some reports suggest that moderate improvement in laying birds when used cautiously. Number 19, it increases weight gain. In controlled trials, slightly weight gains in broilers have been observed when used appropriately and effectively. Number 20, it requires expert dosage knowledge. Farmers must understand proper dilution and frequency in use of castor leaf plants to avoid harm. Important cautions. Please note this. Never use castor seed. We mention only castor leaf plant juice, well fermented or boiled. Castor leaf seeds are extremely toxic and can kill birds or animals even in small quantities. Avoid daily administrations. Use only occasionally and with dilution. Always consult a livestock health expert or veterinarian before introducing castor leaf juice into your feed or water. Castor leaf juice holds enormous potentials for enhancing poultry and livestock health naturally, from boosting immunity and appetite to acting as dewormer and natural antibiotics. Its benefits are noteworthy. However, it is not without risk. Toxicity, especially from misuse, is a major concern. Castor leaf juice holds enormous potentials for enhancing poultry and livestock health naturally, from boosting immunity and appetite to acting as a dewormer and natural antibiotics. Its benefits are noteworthy. However, it is not without risks. Toxicity, especially from misuse, is a major concern in the use of castor leaf plants. If you love castor leaf in your farming, go organic, but go wisely. Use it occasionally in low concentration and never with seed. When used properly, castor leaf plant juice can be a cost-saving, health-boosting tool for your flock. Thank you for watching this video. If this video interests you, if you have gained an explanation on this castor leaf plant, give this video a thumb up right away and make sure you drop a comment where you're watching from, the particular poultry breeds you are into, your location, and anything you think it is possible and reasonable to share with us on the comment section. Please, we expect your views on the particular topic and any other topic you want us to develop on poultry and livestock farming. Please Let this video reach more poultry farmers. Be patriotic, and at the same time join the community of this particular channel. It's very important. Many farmers are there already. We have them and they are supporting this channel to grow, and God will always support them in their business. Whether they therefore like it or not, they will make it in this feathered business. I pray for them always, and it shall be well with them. And those of you that are supporting the channel, wherever you are, may God also support your business also. Let's join hands to move the channel forward. Share our videos to reach more poultry farmers and wider views. Till the next video is uploaded in this channel. For now, I say bye.